Farmer Kids account, Bubble Boy from Xander. And today we are gonna open a lot of surprise toys. These are free products. And if you make it to the end of this video, you want to open them and unbox it. But if you don't make it to the end, you are not the ultimate unboxer. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to open all of these. Which one should we start with first? You pick which one.
How about this mini brand series 3?
Series 3. Okay. So I'm going to open the mini brand series 3. So now we are going to open this. Take this whole thing inside. This is so strong. Oh, finally. So what is this?
This is Sweetheart.
That's Sweetheart. Sweet. This, we got the collector's guide. We got this. And
This is Mom's Best Cereals.
that is Mom's
Crispy
Best.
Cocoa Rice.
Let's try to find that on the collector's guide. Try to
Alright, let me
find
find
it.
it.
Okay.
Right here we have the Sweetheart's Cutie Pie. And where is the cereal? Oh, right here.
What's this called?
Alright, we have the Sweetheart's Cutie Pies and then the Crispy Cocoa Rice.
Let's open this one. So, ooh, we found this. What is this?
Ooh, a Mr. Goodbar.
We'll see that on the collector's guide.
Okay. Right here under the common items. Alright, let's see what else you have.
Finally, did it. What is this? What is this?
These are Dum Dums.
I got the same thing as last time I opened
You
this.
did this last time?
Yeah, I got those last time.
Right here.
Wait a second.
Okay.
Look, kids. Look from a kid. You can see in the inside.
Oh yeah, you can see in the inside. There's nothing in there.
There's nothing in there.
They tricked us.
They
There's
tricked
nothing in there.
There's nothing in there. Now we open this. A second. What's this?
This is classic ranch dressing.
Here we go.
Ranch.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, then you have another one of those same Series 3 surprise toys.
Okay, so let's open it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We got this, buddies. We got this. We got this. Got this. So now we are going to open this surprise toy. And let's start with this mini bag. What is this?
These are Warheads. It's a very sour candy.
It's a very sour candy.
Right here, number 93.
Number 93. Now let's open this. Did it. Oops. What is this? Wait, there's some carrots inside here. Look.
Those aren't carrots. Those are hot dogs.
There's hot dogs.
Oscar Mayer hot
They
dogs.
wasn't trying to trick us this time.
Number 61.
Are those toy hot dogs inside? Yum, 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 yum. Let's try to open this one. What the? Is this double or was that a double one?
Yeah, it was.
How did they do that? I don't know. They crazy. Farmer kids, the store's crazy. The store's being crazy right now. I don't know about that. What is this?
These are hot tamales.
Yeah.
It's a cinnamon candy. Hot tamales.
Hot
Right
tamales.
down here.
Right
Number
down here.
47.
Number 47. I could enough know where it was at. I got the same stain.
Another Mr. Goodbar.
Yeah, they match.
Yep, so now we have 2 of those.
Oh, we got another one. What?
Another Dum Dum. Look at that. Okay.
So I have to use the other one.
These are all of the brands from the series 2.
Yeah, but you need to use the other collector's guide for the other one.
Yeah, here, let's show everybody. These are all the series 2 brands that Xander got.
Yeah.
And now we're going to open up, or those were series 3. And now we're going to open up series 2. We have 3 different series 2 surprise toys.
So which one do you want to open first?
You pick.
You pick.
This one.
Okay. And this is new mini brand surprise toys. Oh my goodness, let's open this. This is so special. So now we have to open all of these ones. We picked the wrapping paper this time. It's your time.
Want me to do it?
Yeah. Alright, you have to do...
Oh, what did we get?
We got a shopping cart. Let's try to build it. I want to build
Oh, it's a shelf. We got a shelf. Here, I'll build it while you open up the other ones, okay?
Oops. See which toy we got? Oh,
Fidget cube number 33.
so I think I will find it in this video, but... And what is this toy? See what this toy is on. What this?
This is
This is.
Ren Stimpy from Nickelodeon.
Oh, Ren Stimpy from Niki.
Ren Stinky number 73. Or Stimpy? What is it? Stimpy, not Stinky. Ren Stimpy.
You have to open it. Now you have to.
Ooh, a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, but now you have to see what this
Rubik's Cube is right here, number 78.
Number 78. So now, see what's this? See what's this?
This is Aang from Avatar.
Oh.
Avatar 1 is number 75.
So I opened all of them.
You opened them all?
Yeah.
I'm almost done with the shelf. So we just have to put the stickers on, I think. Did the best job we could do, right, Xander?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so here is your next series 2.
Now we have to take this whole stain off of there. So, I'm gonna. Oops, I broke one by accident, but it's okay. So, it's just a mini plan. Ooh! What is this called?
This is from the Turtles. It's Raphael. His tools, I guess.
We gotta collect this guide.
Yes. So let me find it on the collector's.
Find it in the
Right here, number
guide.
50.
Alright, this is gonna be super cool. We got
Got a boogie board.
yeah, now you have to see that.
Here we go, number 106.
That's the boogie board.
Yep.
But it reminds me of Boogies and Nose.
No, it's for the ocean. You would take it in the ocean and play on it.
Yes, I did it. Oopsies. What is this? It's a mega stick.
It's the Bot Squad Joe Plow.
Now you have to find that.
Here it is. That took me a minute. It is number 124. Bot Squad.
How's that not even strong? It's crazy.
Ooh.
Ew.
What did you get? This is Shimmer from Shimmer and Shine.
Shimmer.
Right here is Shimmer number 65. Create and color from Crayola washable markers.
Washable markers.
Right here, number 107. This is our last series 2.
So it's my last series 2. So let's open my last series 2. Let's see this first. We got the same thing.
Oh. How do we keep getting the same things? Another one of these guys.
Another one of these guys.
Another Ren
Maybe
Stimpy.
can't get another Rubik's Cube. There's a bag. There's a bag we need a bag. Wow. We can put my toys inside.
We got a bag.
We can put all of our toys inside.
Yeah. All right.
This inside. How did I do that? Oh. Ah! Now, ooh, we got another collector's guide.
You got
We got
it's a Build-A-Bear workshop, sort of. Yep, a Build-A-Bear workshop. That's exactly what it is. Here we go, number 111, Build-A-Bear workshop. All right, we have 2 more to open.
got 2 more to open. We got a unicorn.
A unicorn. Yep, number 26.
That's number 26.
Sparkle.
Bag. Oops. A crocodile.
A crocodile from Metal Machines. Here's the crocodile, number 25. These are all the surprise toys that came out of Series 2. Whoa, that's a lot, Xander. Okay, so the last small surprise egg we have today is the 5 surprise mini brands, and I believe this is Series 1.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm wrong. Right, open it up.
Well, actually, yes, let's... Oops. Something... Wow. And look, it has What is this? What is this then? What are these collector's things?
Oh, maybe this egg is called the Zuru egg. The Zuru 5 surprise egg. Okay, this is RC Mini.
RC Mini. Open this. It's a...
Ooh. This is Hey
Six.
Arnold from Nickelodeon.
I think that's it. Yeah.
You don't know Hey Arnold, do you? You've never heard of that show. I used to watch it when I was a kid.
Oh, how come I didn't
Can you
used to
believe
watch
that?
it?
I don't know. Is it still a show?
Is it still
We
a
don't know.
show?
Hey Arnold is number 52.
Whoa.
What is it?
What is it?
This is Untamed. Untamed is number 65. All right, next one.
Alright, next one. Yes. Ew, I got Nickelodeon slime.
Whoa, you got Nickelodeon
Nickelodeon
slime. Let me
slime.
see. You did Nickelodeon slime. Yep. We got a rare. Nickelodeon slime is a rare one.
And I hope
it's supposed to glow in the dark, Xander.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's supposed to glow when you do it.
We will see. We'll have to try that out.
Yeah.
Number 19. All right, next.
So I hope this is a case in this other one. We'll see if there's a case in this other one. Nope, it's a shopping cart.
Something else to build.
Yeah,
It is a Vlad and Niki egg.
Yeah, it's super heavy.
It's super heavy. It's filled with, let's see, 20 plus surprises inside.
Yeah.
All right, open it up, Xander.
This is so heavy. Why is it so heavy? Because it's giant. This is so heavy. It's so giant. Let's try to open this. So there's a zipper right here. Let's see if we can open this. It's so giant. I can't really believe it. Whoa, how did I do that? Whoa, there's so many blind bags. Whoa. Wow. Wow. And there's a wristband. That's cool. Let's put it on me. Let's test it out. Oh my. That was cool. That's cool.
There you go.
There you go.
Ooh, what's this?
What's that?
It looks like a stamp.
Let's open it. My absolute
Here's the stamp.
favorite.
Let's see.
I wanna do it on you.
Let me do you. Give me your
Okay,
hand.
let me do you
Okay.
first. And does it go like this? Okay.
You should press it hard.
Damn.
Oh, good job. Let me give you a stamp.
Okay.
Amazing. All right, what else do you want to open up?
So let's try and open up this one. I can't wait to see what's inside. Whoa, one of my absolutely favorites. What is this? What is
Let me see.
this?
Oh, I know.
Let's try. Oh my gosh. It's a Vlad and Niki skateboard.
Whoa.
Wow, there's glitter on it.
Skateboard.
It's a Vlad and Niki
Yep, there's texture
skateboard.
on it too.
Yeah, and there's a Vlad and
Wait a
Niki
second.
skateboard.
It turns on. It lights up.
That lights up.
Super cool. All right, let's
That's a
try
Vlad
this
and
one.
Niki skateboard. So now we have to see what's in here. Oh my gosh. Well, I might have to stop the camera. Whoa, it's a Vlad and Niki. Is this Niki?
Can you tell which one it is?
I can't tell. I think it's Vlad and Niki.
You think so? It's one of them.
I
It's a
think-
little action figure.
All
right, let's try this one.
Let's try this. Stop this. Oh my gosh. That was a race car.
A car.
A car.
And it has an N on it for Nikki. It's Nikki's car. Very cool. All right, let's
Is that their
open
mark?
this one.
Is that their
Yeah,
mark?
this whole thing is their mark.
Ew, this is super big. I think this is a big one. Oh my gosh. It is so big. Inside here. It's a Vlad and Niki. Whoa.
Whoa, is this some kind of transformer?
Is this kind of some transformer?
I think so.
I think so.
All right, what's
this
next?
is a Vlad and Niki mask. This is a Vlad and Niki mask.
See, you're gonna put it on? Xander,
Whoa.
look at that mask. Is it in your eyes?
Look at
Woo!
that mask.
Super Xander.
Super Xander. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be absolute my favorites.
Vlad?
I think it's
Vlad
Vlad.
and Niki. There they are.
He and Vlad. Stink.
Right, how about this one?
This one. Ah. Wow. Is this the same stain?
No, it's a different version. I think it's like the superhero version.
I think that's.
And she has a cape
I
on.
think that's Vlad because Vlad is taller than Niki. So I think that's Vlad.
Okay, what is in this?
What is in there? Oh. Ah! Ah! Wow, is this Vlad's car?
Yeah, this is Vlad's car.
This is Vlad's
Blue
car.
and orange.
Blue and
Very cool.
orange. Very
All right,
cool.
let's open up this.
Oh, this is a
That looks
giant
pretty
one.
cool.
That looks pretty cool. But I want to see what's inside. So it's really cool. What does D say?
V and L.
V and L. What does that
For
spell?
Vlad and Niki.
Vlad and Niki.
Because Vlad starts with a V and Niki starts with an N.
Oh. Niki starts with an N. Oh. It's a gun.
A water gun.
It's a water gun. And then I can squat you with the water gun.
Yep.
This is super cool. I think this is gonna be glitter. I hope it's not glitter. Whoa, with some stickers.
Ooh, pull them out. They're puffy stickers.
The puffy stickers. Oh my gosh. Kids, look. For my kids, look, that's puffy stickers. One of my absolute favorites. They're puffy.
Can you open this up?
Yeah, whoa. This is gonna be super cool. It's soft. How did I do that? Oh my gosh. Is it a superhero? What is this? What is
It's
this?
a cape, a
It's a cape.
superhero cape.
Put this on me. Let's open this. I'm so excited. Maybe it's a tattoo. I don't know. You have to guess. What is this? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's tattoo.
Oh.
A Vlad and
Vlad
Niki
and
tattoo.
Yeah, what we was right.
All right, and then you got this
I
little.
got this little.
It's a name tag, so you could put it on like your bag or something, your lunchbox, and then you put
Oh.
your name on the back.
Let me feel it. Whoa, can we open it?
There's nothing to open. That's what it is. And then you got this Vlad and Niki bracelet. And this is. It says superhero surprise.
Yellow surprise.
Oh, it's a comic book.
Oh, it's a comic book.
Yeah, and you have to scratch out things on the comic book to get the full story. So we'll have to do that later.
Every time my kids opened all my surprise toys, if you're still here, you're the ultimate unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace out. Blah, 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 blah. I hope you have a good day. Bye. Give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And give me a huge thumbs up. Ready? And then subscribe and hit that subscribe button.